Uh, Greetings to you all in New York, uh, to the newly elected Dean of City College, Dean Gilpin. With no loss in generality, I've continued my series of short lectures coming from Sunburst, Los Angeles, California. But here today, I'm in the capital, Washington, D.C., continuing with these short lectures. And Washington, D.C., at the Hyatt Hotel on New Jersey Avenue. Now, I briefly presented from Sunburst, Los Angeles, California, a histological microscopic perspective of health healing via blasting of various blast cells and site cells. Today I would like to continue without loss in generality and even more briefly just mention that healing from a microscopic level is one of the ways we can obtain healing. And specifically, I presented some stem cells, blast cells, hemocytoblast, proerythroblast, basophil erythroblast, monocytes, normoblasts, bone marrow, osteoclasts and osteoblasts, and other cells, thrombocytes, leukocytes, erythrocytes, eosinophil, acidophil, microscopic component of the blood and tissue, and lymph, bone marrow. As a basis for health, all these microscopic components must work and move in harmony through the transport system to bring health to the individual. And in the case, as we have mentioned, it was one aspect of abnormality among the microscopic component, the sickle cell, as it is called. Some of the erythrocytes or thrombocytes erythrocyte takes on a sickle shape from its oval shape, and therefore the oxygen carrying capacity was lost. The oxygen carrying capacity is very intrinsic and very important to the body in oxygen exchange to the tissue, to the brain, and to the heart. And because of the loss of the oxygen carrying and delivery, the sickle cell, as it is called, has posed enormous problem in patients with sickle cell disease. And so briefly mentioned in previous presentation that blasting at the stem cell level with an intention to either evacuate or restore the original shape of these sickle cell is one means by which we could obtain some solution or cure for this disease. Well, I leave it for the present microbiologists and infectious disease specialists and pathologists and the various health specialists that work in this area to bring about. We also have some biomedical engineers to bring about the health of these via the microscopic component of the blood. So I just want to say that I have superimposed these microscopic cells briefly with to a very important individual in history, which gave up his blood for the remission of sin and for the healing of the nation. I'm saying that 2,000 years ago, that these weren't seen because there was no microscope, but that via faith healing since then, great stride has been made. In combination with science, unlike other scientists, I have combined faith and also science together in harmony to bring about a certain cure. And this is an inspiration using the blood of the only begotten Son of God, which was given up for this purpose to heal. And I'm going to leave it at that and hope that you will be inspired by the blood of the only begotten Son of God. One lady faith in those times was so strong that she, with an issue of her blood problems, reached forth and touched the hem of the Son of God garment. And she was made whole. If the same faith is applied today via science and by the combination of science and faith, we will have breakthrough and a cure for sickle cell disease and other diseases of the body. Thank you so much. I'm Dolphy Gilpin, coming to you from the capital, Washington, D.C., at the Hyatt Hotel, and I'm signing off. Thanks once.